Stop whatever you are doing right now and make sure you have your sound turned up. In this short video, you will discover the world's first 5-in-1 ChatGPT OpenAI powered video app suite that does everything: live streaming, video recording, video editing, video hosting, thumbnail maker with 10 million stock library in just 2 minutes. Yes, with this first-to-market technology, even newbies can instantly create and sell attention-grabbing marketing videos, promo videos, explainer videos, images, thumbnail, and much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. And the best part is, you can do it all without buying complicated tools, without paying huge monthly fees to expensive video creators, without hiring expensive freelancers, without depending on expensive and difficult video creation tools. Now you can put an end to all these problems once and for all.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another one, VideoStudio application, and this one in a nutshell is the world's first 5-in-1 ChatGPT OpenAI powered video app suite that does everything for you, which includes live streaming, video recording, video editing, video hosting, thumbnails maker with 10 million stock libraries in just a few minutes. And with this you can create and sell attention-grabbing marketing videos, promo videos, explainer videos, images, thumbnails, and much more with this application without buying complicated tools or paying huge monthly fees to expensive video creators, graphic and platforms that charge you on a monthly basis. I am a victim of this, and this very product is aimed at stopping all of that so that you can use this video and OpenAI ChatGPT powered app suite to actually create everything for yourself: live streaming, video recording, video editing, video hosting, thumbnails, and everything you basically want, as long as it has to do with video. Okay, so this is an amazing VideoStudio application from Daniel Aletunji, and it's going live on the 21st of February 2024 sorry, at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is Central European time, 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. Okay, that's when this product is going to go live. If you stick with me, I will take you to the amazing bonuses. They are actually mega and exclusive, which you are going to actually get access to towards the end of this review. So stick around, you'll be able to know exactly what I have for you. I will also give you an idea of the pricing so that you see what this stands for, and then of course take you to the dashboard area, which is exactly this. And this is the dashboard, and we'll go through all the steps. Though I don't have the password for this review as proper, but I'm going to play the video after we go through these steps. Okay, so with that said, let us just go into more details with this. Before I go further, I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And of course, anytime I upload any content whatsoever, which mostly are reviews for products that are going to help you create income online, then you will be the first to actually get notified. Now, this is exactly what the product is about. I've told you before, it's the world's first 5-in-1 ChatGPT OpenAI powered application suite that does everything for you. It does video streaming, video recording, video editing, and hosting. And then these are basically some of the benefits I have with this one. It's 100% OpenAI automated app to do all your video tasks at once. Okay, I think you know what that means. ChatGPT 4, and record, edit, host, and live stream any video with zero experience, and it helps you automate and revolutionize your repetitive videos routine tasks with AI, and you have zero video creation or video experience required. You don't need prior experience because OpenAI connected to this application does all of that for you, and you can start your own video and digital marketing agency and put your gig on Fiverr or Upwork or any of the other places where you can get outsourced, and it helps you create and sell amazing marketing video contents, and of course explainer and promo videos without any technical skills. It has commercial license included, generates and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. It has 40+ inbuilt AI video tools included in this very application. It is beginner friendly, easy to use dashboard, as you can see, and no hidden fees or extra expenses is here. Nothing to download, install, or customize. You just get started as soon as you get the product, and it has 30 days money back guarantee in case for any reason, even without any reason, you have issues with this, you'll be able to get your refund fully. Okay, so that's that's in a nutshell what you have as the entire benefits that is encompassed in this very application, VideoStudio from Daniel Adetunji. Okay, so it's like trying to create content online, like maybe your Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels and TikTok videos, okay, and YouTube Shorts, and even ordinary YouTube videos. You can always create with this, as you can see some of these samples. Okay, now I will make sure I leave the rest of the review to you when you arrive here, but these are the testimonials from Vivesh Mohia, and you have Robbie Blanchard. These are all people who are testifying to the goodness of this very one, and you will be able to take a look at all of this when you arrive here after you purchase this product. Of course, using that first link below in my description area, that link will bring you to this very sales page where you will be able to actually pick up a copy using this pink colored button. It's scattered all over this page, and let's see if we can see other things that we can do. You can, with this one, create high converting marketing content, build attention grabbing explainer videos, create stunning promo videos, just like we have read before as the amazing benefits that you have with this one. Create and make instant video thumbnails. So I mean, it has basically everything that you need to create video content online. So I am very, very impressed with this idea and with this very development. So I will leave the rest of the review to you, but let's see the steps you need. Buy this product using that first link below in my description. You can log into this dashboard. When you do, you will be able to get the job done. And you have step 2, you create with your keyword as you desire, and you will be able to get information to the AI that is attached to this very application, and it will definitely churn out a video that is tailored according to your keyword of voiceover, okay, which you are going to, a voice command, I mean Siri-like voice command, which you can use to actually create such content. Okay, and then step 3 will be to use and profit. Use for yourself or sell to others as agency, and it will recommend you. Okay, so I will leave the rest of the review of the page to you so that you can read through, and then we use this time to actually take a look at the very members area. Okay, so it's the product is going live today. You will have to testify if this is good actually when you use it. This is the dashboard. This is the video. Here is the button to streaming video, stock library, and you have a thumbnail generator, AI voiceover in case you want to voiceover on any video you are creating with this application. You have video subtitle. You need to put your video subtitle so that you can reach wider audience. You have text from video, and you have also AI MP4 compressor. You have also AI video to audio, AI video to GIFs. Okay, so you have it there. And last, now play the demo video of this product in action so that you see how it works, and then we go from there to the pricing and of course my bonuses. Okay. Welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and training courses that are going to help you make money online. Now let us see the pricing for this one before I show you the bonuses that I have for you. The front end, which is exactly this, gives you for $16.95, and it has downsell of $13.93 and inline sell upsell to $9.95. You have the upgrade number 1, which is the VideoStudio Unlimited. The light version goes for $67, which gives you for a discounted price of $47, and then the gold goes for $197. You have the upgrade number 2, VideoStudio Done For You version. The gold edition goes for $297. You have the light edition for $147, and the downsell for this $147 is $97. That means you have it at a discounted price of $97. And you have the upgrade number 3, the VideoStudio Automation version. It goes for $67 with a downsell, which is a discounted price of $47. If you buy it within the launch period of 5 days, you have the upgrade number 4, VideoStudio Limitless Graphic Edition goes for $97. The light edition and then the gold edition goes for $147, and you have it for a discounted price of $67. Upgrade number 5 will be the VideoStudio App Plus, all the upsells, which is $147. That means this very application plus all the upsells, it goes for $147, and it has this February bundle deal offer, which is why it is this amount. Imagine being able to get the application for that $13.93, and then it gets all the upsells included by just paying $147. Okay, so I wonder why it's like that. Okay, and then upgrade number 6 will be the agency. The light edition goes for $67, the gold one goes for $67, and you have it for a discounted price of $47 for the light edition. And then of course you have the upgrade number 7, VideoStudio Franchise Edition goes for the light version goes for $97, and the gold goes for $147, and you have it for discounted price of $57 against this light edition. Okay, I have also the upgrade number 8, the Done For You blocks with label, white label. The light version goes for $67, gold goes for $97, and you have it for a discounted price of $47. Okay, and you have the upgrade number 9, which I guess the last one, VideoStudio white level, goes for $197, and you have it for a discounted price of $147. And this means you have access to this very product as if it is your own. You can rebrand it, you can put your logo, you can watermark it if you want, and because it's practically yours as soon as you buy it for this very price, okay, which is actually discounted. Okay, now let's see the bonuses that I have lined up for you. Number 1 will be the ultimate market multi-level marketing secrets, which helps you learn multi-level marketing and how it can help you and your business develop exponentially. And you have the bonus number 2, which is the list building expert, very important. You have the internet marketing fast start, which helps you jumpstart internet marketing business and learn the core concepts. You have also number 4, affiliate marketing secrets, very good. I did that and it helped me a lot. And you have 30 Day to Bigger Email List ebook, which will help you create your email list, subscriber list, and that will help you market on demand, making money whenever you want. You have number 6, chatbot marketing mastery. Number 7 will be building the perfect sales funnel. Number 8, blogging for profit, and number 9, email list building blueprint, and you have number 10, copywriting crackdown. These are links that are attached to actually help you create such amazing information based development that will help you create steady income online. So that's about what you have as bonuses, and then we will have to come towards the end of this product. Like I said, VideoStudio is going live today, the 21st of February 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. New York time, which is Central European time, 5 p.m. and 4 p.m. GMT, and it is going to help you create live streaming, video recording, video editing, and video hosting, and has over 10 million stock library which you can choose from. And with this you can create marketing videos, promo videos, explainer videos, and images which you can actually create an agency for and make money working for others. This is exactly where we are going to call it a day on this very review. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here. And from me, guys, from here is goodbye.